This is how to add Trust Wallet browser extension to your Google Chrome. You can just go ahead and just type Trust Wallet extension. It's going to bring up this page for you, and you can actually get it either from Trust Wallet's official website, or you can also get that from that of the Google. Okay, so what we want to do right now is that I want to get it from. Let's get it from Google right now. I think it's a lot faster. So we're going to just basically click on that link. Let me go back in. Just click on the link that is under Google Chrome, and it's going to bring you to this particular page. And all you can do is you just go ahead and click on Add to Chrome, and then it's going to bring up this dialog box and says Add Trust Wallet. These are the things it can actually do: read and change all your data on our website, display notifications, and modify data you copy and paste. Okay, so it's your choice to either cancel or click on Add Extension. But since we want to add it, let's go ahead and click on Add Extension. It's gonna go ahead, download it, and it will kind of install it for us. So look at it going on right here. You can watch the progress from there. Alright, so on this particular page right now, if you have not had any account with them before, if you don't have an account with Trust Wallet, you can click on create a new wallet right here to create an account. But if you have an account with them already, maybe you have Trust Wallet on your phone, you can go ahead and then import or recover the wallet by going through this particular one that we're having here. Okay, so that's just how to do that, and you have to just go ahead and then what I'm going to do right now is that I already have an account with them. But for those of you who do not have an account with them, you can click on this particular first one. As you can see, if I click on it right now, it's going to open a place where I have to enter my password and then go through all the registration. It's quite simple, guys, but that's not actually what I want to do. Okay, so basically what I want to do is to go ahead and then connect my wallet. So if I go back, I'm going to click on import or recover wallet, and then it's going to open up this place for me. Then I just have to enter my password. So let me do that right now. Then you can go ahead and then confirm the password. And if everything works just fine, you just have to accept your license agreement and then go ahead and click on next. And then it's going to try to verify your, your account with the secret phrase that you have earlier when you were actually creating the account. You have written your secret phrase down. All you need to do is to enter the 12 secret phrases right here. And after that, this is going to actually become active, and you can just go ahead and click on it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and then put my own phrase right here. So put the first one, and I'm going to put the second one also, and then the third one, and make sure that it actually matches with what you had earlier when you were creating the account. Okay, so let me put the fourth one for myself right here, and then the fifth one, and then let me do the rest of camera, and I'll come back to you guys. All right, so I basically have everything put in place right now, but I don't know whether they are actually all correct. But what I'm going to do right now, okay, it says if you take a look down here, it says something like invalid secret phrase. That means I probably did not actually add that right. So I need to find out where I made the mistake, guys. All right, guys. So I have that actually corrected, and then this becomes active right now. And then the error that showed down here before now is already no longer there. So we can go ahead and click on next. All right. So we just need to scroll down. They're just giving you a notification of what they normally collect. So I'm going to click on share data. And if you don't want to actually share data, you can actually click on that you are not willing to actually share data. So down here, it says you have successfully imported your wallet. So I now have my wallet as an extension within this page. If I want to open that up right now, I can do that by clicking on this open wallet. All right, so that's just that, guys. So that's just basically how to connect that, your Trust Wallet. You want to grab your Trust Wallet and then make use of it within your browser. You can actually do what I have just shown you in this video. So guys, if you don't know what you maybe the reason why you have to do this, if you take a look at here where we say DApp, so it's just basically used for seamless connection to other applications. Okay, let's say you want to mine something like, let's say ICE network, and that they request for something like your Trust Wallet to be able to mine that. You can go ahead and then connect your Trust Wallet to it. Okay, you can use a browser interface of this nature to do that. Alright, so let's see what we got if we click on something like open wallet. I guess it's going to just open up a Trust Wallet for us, and maybe the pricing and all these things that we basically actually also have. So let me just, okay, so this is just how it is, and this is the typical Trust Wallet interface that you will normally find on your phone, guys. So nothing special about it, okay? But you basically have everything that you need, like your settings. If you want to earn, you go to earn. This is your settings. If you want to swap or do whatever you want to do, you can actually find out within this. If you like this video, consider clicking the like button so that more people will actually get it. And it's actually also going to inspire me to keep doing more videos of this nature. And if you have any questions, you can just throw it in the comment section below. I'll be right there to answer your questions, guys. So be sure to subscribe if you are not actually subscribed by now. And then I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye for now.